So now we are going to sail off in the morning. It's tomorrow today. And this is the last day of the canoe trip. Sorry I couldn't upload a video yesterday, but the internet is very bad here. So now the sailing of tomorrow has started, and we will finish off this tour today. Okay, so the heaven doesn't look that good. Maybe it's going to rain later, but let's hope not so. Now we have reached the dark jungle. It's very dark. And there's a cow in here. Windmills! Our first target is to reach a bridge where we can eat something. Here we see a big bridge, but we are not going to stop here. This is not the bridge we are going for. Overhovedet ikke. Here we have quite an obstacle. We need to get around this tree that fell down from the woods. Yeah. We did it! So now we can see the bridge we are going to stop at and eat something. Here we can see the nice bridge. Blair Ridge project. So now we are going to eat. We have something to put on this French bread. Okay, now I'm exploring the bridge, so I'm going up this way. Malik is taking the other side, but I think this one is more easier. So a train used to drive here many years ago. You have a nice view from up here. Now we are done with the canoe trip. So now we are sitting here and feeding ducks, and this is the ending of this video and this canoe trip series. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe or you will die.